Hi everyone. So let us solve exercise 1.1 question first today. So express each number as a product of its prime factors. So here 5 questions are there. So let's start from first. So let us find prime factors of 140. So we can see 140 is even number. So we can divide it by 2. So when we divide it by 2, then 70 will come. Then again we will divide it by 2 because this is again even. So 35. Now unit digit is 5. So we can divide this number by 5. Then 7. 7 is prime number. So prime factors of 140 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Or we can write them 2's power 2 into 5 into 7. At the end of the video, I have shared the divisibility rules for number 2 to 12, which will help you easily find the factors of any number. So make sure to watch the entire video. Now next is 156. So again this is prime number. So we can divide it by 2. So 2 sevens are 14. Then 1 will be remainder and it will become 16. So 2 eights are 16. Then again by 2. Then 2 threes are 6. Then 1 will remainder. Then it will become 18. So 2 nines are 18. Now if we sum of all the digit, so 3 plus 9 is equals to 12. So which can divide by 3. So we can also divide 39 by 3, which we learned from divisibility rule. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now 13 is prime number, so it can divide it only by 13. So prime factors of 156 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, or we can say 2's power 2 into 3 into 13. Now next is 3825. Now unit digit is 5, so we can divide this number by 5. So 5 sevens are 35. Then 3 will remainder and it will become 32. So 5 6 are 30s. Then 2 will remainder, then it will become 25. So 5 fives are 25. Now we can divide it by again 5. So 5 ones are 5. Then 2 will remainder, 26. So 5 fives are 25. Then 1 will remainder and it will become 15. So 5 threes are 15. Now 1 plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 9, which can be divided by 3. So 3 fives are 15 and 3 ones are 3. Again 5 plus 1 6, which can be divided by 3. So again by 3. So 3 ones are 3. Then 2 will remainder and it will become 21. So 3 sevens are 21. Now 17 is a prime number. So prime factors of 3825 are 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 17, or we can write them in ascending order like 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17, or we can say 3's power 2 into 5's power 2 into 17. Now next is 5005. So again unit digit is 5, so we can divide this number by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 0, 0, 5 ones are 5. Now we cannot divide this by 2 because this is not even number. And if we do sum of these digits like 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, then it comes 2. So we cannot divide it by 3 and we cannot divide it by 5 because unit digit is not 0 or 5. Now let us check from 7. So 7 ones are 7, 3 will remainder, then it will become 30. 7 fours are 28, then 2 will remainder, 21. So 7 threes are 21. So 143. We cannot divide it by 2, by 3, by 5, by 7, but we can divide it by 11. So 11 ones are 11, then 3 will remainder and it will become 33. So 11 threes are 33. Then it is prime. So 13 ones are 13. So prime factors are 5005 is equals to 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Now, last question is pretty interesting. So, we will start this question like from scratch because it will take some time. So, see, unit digit is 9. So, we cannot divide it by 2. We cannot divide it by 5. So, let's do the sum of all the digits. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. Which cannot divide by 3. So, 3 is also cancelled. Now, let us check from 7. So, 7 ones are 7. Then 7, for 4, it will come 0. Then 7 6 are 42. But again, 7 ones are 7. Then it will come remainder 2. So, we cannot divide it by 7. Now, after 7, 11 is the prime number. So, for 11, let us divide it here. Then it will be easy to understand for you. So, for 11, so 11 6 are 66. Then, when we subtract it, it will come 8. Then 2 will come over here. Then 11 sevens are 77. Then remainder will come 5. And then it will come 9 here. Then 11 fives are 55. So, we cannot divide it by 11 because 4 remainder is here. Now, let's check by 13. So, when we divide by 13, then 13 fives are 65. So, 9 will come, then 2 will come over here. Then 13 sevens are 91. Then 19. So, 13 ones are 13. So, 6 is remainder. So, we cannot divide it by 11 and 13 both out. Now, let us check from 17. So, 17 fours are 68. You should do practice of tables, then it would be easy. So 6 will be remainder, then 62, then 17 threes are 51, then 119, then 17 sevens are 119. So we can divide it by 17. Then it will come 437. Now, let us check again for 437. So, we cannot divide 437 by 2 because this is not even number. Next, by 3. So, if we do sum of the digits like 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So, we cannot divide it by 3. We cannot divide it by 5 because this is not 0 or 5 unit digit number. So, if we check by 7, so 7 6 are 42, then 1 will remainder 17. So, again it will not go by 7. Then let us check by 11. So, 11 threes are 33, then 10 will be remainder 107. So, we cannot divide it by 11. Then if we will check by 13, so 13 threes are 39, then 47. So, it will not go by 13. So after 13 again 17 will come over here. So when we will check by 17, so it will go like this. 17 twos are 34, then 97, then it will not go by 17. Now let us check by 19. So let us check it here. So 19 twos are 38. If we do subtraction, then it will come 57. And 19 threes are 57. Then remainder is 0. So we can divide this number by 19. Then it will come 23. And 23 is the prime number. So it will only go by 23. So factors of 7429 are 17 into 19 into 23. This was really tricky question, but we have learned lot of things from this question, like how to divide from starting to end, like, right? So now let us see divisibility rules. So for 2, if last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we can divide that number by 2. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, so we can divide that number by 3. For 4, if the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then we can divide that number by 4. So you can read all rules from here. So it will be easy to divide, like do factor of any number. So that's all for today. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.